Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to move and arrange apps on your Android phone, including how to organize them into folders and place them exactly where you want. So let's get started. First, start by going to your home screen or swipe up to access the app drawer. Now tap and hold the icon you want to move. It will lift slightly and you'll feel a small vibration. Now just drag the app to wherever you want. To move it on the home screen, to the edge, to move it to another page, or even back to the app drawer if you want to remove it from the home screen. If you want to group apps together, just drag one app on the top of another and it will automatically create a folder. Some phones let you sort or rearrange apps in the app drawer. For that, tap the three dots at the top right of the drawer. Tap on Sort and choose Custom Order or Alphabetical Order depending on your phone. If your phone does not support custom app arrangement in the drawer, you can install a launcher like Nova Launcher or Microsoft Launcher for more control. And that's how you move and arrange apps on your Android phone. Nice, clean, and super easy to customize. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.